about how sometimes it takes a trained eye to walk into a space and say, that doesn't belong there. And when that thing is moved, all of a sudden there is a miraculous change in the way the room flows. Now, as a designer, is that what you focus on? You focus on placement, or do you focus on color? Do you focus on lighting? What is the thing that you mainly focus on?
That's a very good question, very broad one.
Yes,
and
it is.
Thank you for that. All of those things are always important. The first thing I do is I ask the client what's important to them. What you would be speaking of might be of the interview process, when I'm there to chat with them and interview with them, not having met them. In that respect, I like to find out what challenges are they having, or do they think they're having. Once I let them speak, then I tell them what I think that they probably are having challenges with that they just don't see.